Hello all, welcome to Prashanti. This is Brinda. In today's video, we are going to see bridal silk sarees. This time we have got lots of beautiful traditional and trendy patterns in bridal sarees, in tissues, in zari checked pattern, in korvais, thousand buttas and much more. We have got both pure zari and in 1 gram gold zari. As and when I show you the sarees, I will be mentioning the zari used in those sarees. Let's quickly get started. I'm going to show you 25 to 30 sarees today, but we have much more uploaded in our website in different colors and styles. We also have good collection in our store. You can also walk into our T Nagar store to take a look at this collection. The first one for today, it's a beautiful green with maroon combination. It's a pure zari saree with babanji borders on either sides. The body has got very beautiful zari checked pattern with mild chakram buttas alternating in between the checks. This has got a contrast pallu in maroon with rich zari woven pallu, that's the pallu, and a plain blouse in maroon, priced at 31,950. Thousand buttas, it's a beautiful violet with red traditional color combination with short and long Kanchipuram borders. This is a 2 gram gold zari weaving with small zari checked pattern running throughout the sari. Silver zari buttas and between the checks. It's a 1000 butta sari with a contrast rich pallu in red. That's the pallu. Very intricate weaving. And this has got a red blouse. Priced at 36,800. Orange and purple. A very pretty sari with beautifully woven lotus borders on either sides. The entire body has got a self-embossed pattern, small paisleys running throughout the sari with a contrast rich zari woven pallu in purple. This is a pure zari sari and this has got a plain purple blouse priced at 30,850. Maroon, a very traditional wedding color with babanji borders on either sides, piping in green on both sides of the sari. This is a 1 gram gold zari weaving with subtle zari checked pattern running throughout the sari. This has got a beautiful pallu, that's the pallu, and a zari lined blouse in maroon, priced at 14,190. Grey and magenta, 2 gram gold zari weaving. The entire body has got zari brocade weaving running throughout the sari with a strip of green and magenta floral weaving on both sides. This has got a beautiful pallu, rich zari woven pallu and 2 gram gold zari weaving and a woven blouse in magenta. So that's the blouse. Priced at 26,400. This one is a pure zari weaving. It's a beautiful dual shade of blue and purple Vairausi sari with traditionally woven babanji borders on either sides. Vairausi is closely knit horizontal lines of zari running throughout the sari with traditionally woven mild chakram buttas running throughout the body. That's the pallu, contrast pallu in purple, rich zari woven pallu, and this has got a plain purple blouse, priced at 39,800. Teal and pink, a very pretty korvai weaving sari with babanji and floral borders on either sides, piping in purple on both sides of the borders with beautiful peacock motifs running along the body. That's the pallu, contrast rich zari woven pallu, and this has got a plain pink blouse, priced at 20,290. It's a beautiful yellow, full silver zari tissue weaving, very trendy and stylish sari with plain borderless style. The entire body has got subtly woven peacocks in pale yellow running along the tissue portion of the sari with a rich pallu in silver zari, that's the pallu, and this has got a plain blouse in yellow. This is a 2 gram gold zari weaving priced at 28,800. White and red traditional sari with rich korvai weaving in red on either sides. Beautiful mild chakram buttas woven on both sides of the borders with a plain body in white. This has got a contrast rich zari woven pallu. That's the pallu. And a contrast plain blouse in red. That's the blouse. Priced at 19,350. This is a 2-gram gold zari weave. One more in tissue. It's a beautiful gold with copper sulphate blue korvai weaving. Traditionally woven Kanchipuram borders on either sides with zari checked pattern along with rudraksham buttas and thread and zari running in between the checks. Very, very rich and classy. That's the pallu, rich pallu. And this has got a contrast blouse in blue. Priced at 24,250. Purple and pink pure zari weaving with bawanji borders on either sides. Traditionally woven zari checked pattern with mild chakram buttas alternating in between the checks. This has got a contrast rich zari woven pallu in pink. That's the pallu. And a plain pink blouse. Priced at 31,950. This one is peachish pink, full silver brocade weaving with khadi zari borders in silver on either sides. The top half of the sari has got very pretty brocade weaving along with beautiful floral weaving in silver zari towards the bottom part of the border. This has got a rich zari woven pallu, that's the pallu, and a plain blouse in peachish pink, that's the blouse. Priced at 26,400. Bottle green and navy blue. One more in pure zari weaving with traditionally woven borders on either sides, piping in blue on both sides of the sari with very, very pretty zari checked pattern, pure golden zari weaving. That's the pallu, rich zari woven pallu, and this has got a contrast plain blouse in blue. Priced at 39,590. Beige and baby pink. One more beautiful sari with all over antique zari brocade weaving. Very, very subtle borders with rich Kanchipuram zari weaves on both sides of the borders. The entire body has got beautiful floral zari brocade weaving in antique golden zari with a contrast rich zari woven pallu. That's the pallu. And this has got a baby pink blouse. Priced at 26,400. Peacock blue and purple. One more in pure zari weaving with very pretty lotus borders on either sides. The entire body has got self-jacquard weaves with small paisleys running throughout the sari. This has got a contrast rich zari woven pallu in purple, that's the pallu, and a plain purple blouse. Priced at 29,190. One more beautiful sari with contrast and bright color combination. It's tomato pink with navy blue, traditionally woven Kanchipuram borders, long borders and short bawanji border along the top part of the sari. The body has got beautiful zari brocade weaving in 2-gram gold with a rich pallu, that's the pallu, and this has got a contrast blouse in navy blue. Priced at 36,800. Hot pink, simple piping zari borders on either sides with green piping on both sides of the sari. The body has got very pretty zari checked pattern with mild chakram buttas alternating in between the checks. That's the pallu, rich zari woven pallu in pure zari, and this has got a contrast blouse in orange. Priced at 27,850. Violet and magenta. One more beautiful sari with short and long floral contrast borders on either sides. The body has got an antique zari brocade weaving, very, very stylish and classy with a contrast rich pallu in magenta, that's the pallu, and this has got a plain blouse in magenta, that's the blouse. Priced at 26,400. It's a beautiful green with pink combination, traditionally woven korvai borders in pure zari on either sides, bawanjis and paisleys, very, very beautiful and traditional weaving with mild chakram buttas subtly woven throughout the body. This has got a contrast rich pallu, that's the pallu, and a plain blouse in pink. Priced at 37,950. Baby pink with full silver brocade weaving. Very pretty zigzag borders on either sides, with the body having beautiful zari brocade weaving in silver. Towards the bottom part of the border, this has got a strip of antique gold zari with beautiful peacocks. Very, very stylish and very pretty saree. That's the pallu, rich zari woven pallu, and this has got a plain blouse in baby pink. That's the blouse. Priced at 28,800. This is a 2-gram gold weaving saree. Blue and pink tissue korvai weaving. Very, very pretty self pattern running throughout the saree in blue tissue with contrast korvai weaving in pink on either sides. This is a 2-gram gold weaving saree with a rich zari woven pallu. That's the pallu, and this has got a contrast tissue blouse in pink. Priced at 35,990. This one is pink with teal. A very, very pretty color combination. Traditionally woven korvai borders with temple weaves. Zari checked body with 1-gram gold zari weaving. That's the pallu, rich pallu in teal. And this has got a plain teal blouse. Priced at 19,650. Green and pink. One more korvai sari, tissue sari. The entire body is in golden green tissue with beautifully woven brocade pattern running throughout the sari. Both sides of the borders have got short and long Kanchipuram weaving in korvai style with a rich zari woven pallu. This is a 1-gram gold zari weaving sari, and this has got a contrast plain blouse in pink. Priced at 24,250. The last one for today, pure zari weaving. It's maroon vaira usi sari with traditionally woven bavanji borders on either sides. Closely knit horizontal lines of zari running throughout the body with traditionally woven Maya chakra buttas across the body. That's the pallu, rich pure zari woven pallu, and this has got a contrast blouse in red. Priced at 39,850. All these sarees are available in our website. We have uploaded much more unique color combinations and designs. You can log on to www.prashantisarees.in to take a look at the entire collection. You can also click on the link that's given in the description box, which will directly take you to the collections page. Thank you for watching this video. Have an enriching shopping experience at Prashanti.